This is Roger Technologies' sliding gate range. We have 4 possible options on offer. We're using the BM30, the domestic sliding gate motor, up to 400 kilograms, used for training and demonstrations, available to any of our trade customers. Moving through the products, we have the introductory level H30 series, which is 230 volt standard, and then we have the brushless domestic, and then the BH30, which is up to 1,000 kilograms, and then we move on to the commercial line, which is the BG series, anything from 1 tonne up to 2.2 tonnes capability.